Welcome to DigitalGasser. Have you ever wondered how you change your video's aspect ratio in CreateStudio? Today I'm sharing a trick to change your video aspect ratio in CreateStudio. Let's get started. We will be using this common creative video I downloaded from YouTube. We will have to drag and drop the video on our timeline. Let's start editing. The beginning of this video is blank. Let's fix that. Click on video. Get this to the point we want to cut. Click on the scissor icon to cut. Click on the unwanted part. Click on delete or backspace on your PC to delete it. To change the aspect ratio of this video, click on this icon and select the aspect ratio you want. I am using the 9:16 ratio, which is for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Drag the edge of this video to fit the screen. Congrats, you just changed the aspect ratio of your video in CreateStudio. By the way, there are some fantastic new features that have been rolled out in CreateStudio 4. The VSL Creator, AI Short Builder, AI Explainer Video Builder, and so much more that makes creating stunning videos a breeze. If you guys want me to create videos showing you step-by-step on how to use these AI features, just comment and I will create them. But that's not all. At the time of creating this video, CreateStudio is now offering a lifetime, no subscription deal. That means one simple payment unlocks lifetime access to all these powerful features. I didn't know how long it will last. If you're ready to take your video creation to the next level, click the link below to sign up now. Just a heads up, the link below is an affiliate link, so I may earn a small commission if you decide to purchase. Thanks for your support. Till next time, happy creating.